Alright, in this video I had some water leakage in this part of the apartment, and we just had the drywall replaced after we got the plumbing fixed. And now what I'm doing is I just need to do some minor fixes to the caulking along the baseboard. So I'm going to show you how I do that. It's very easy. The type of caulking that I like to use is this Alex Fast Dry. This is white. You can paint it quickly. I found you can paint it faster than 20 minutes. But that's probably what they recommend. And it is good for anything indoors. So this is really awesome. So you just load it in your caulking gun, cut the tip, and I'm just gonna run a bead of it. There's holes right here, so I'm gonna put some extra. Just run that line like that. Then I just get a wet paper towel. Once you grab your wet paper towel, just run your finger down the line. If you get too much, rub it off. Put a little bit of caulking on this crack that we have, this chip right here that we have in the baseboard also. And one more quick spot that I need to do some caulking on. I got a spot right there, and I have a spot right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and run a bead quickly like I just showed you. So in the thicker spots with the bigger holes, I like to try to just push it down in there. But I know I'm gonna have some extra, so I don't have to worry about doing a perfect job. I'll do the same thing here. I got my paper towel, and I'll just run my finger along the edge of it, pushing the material down into that hole. You can see how much extra I just pulled off. So I'm going to use that to kind of refill these holes here. Wipe my fingers off, and then do the same thing again right here. With the paper towel, just push down at an angle. Nice and smooth. You'll notice I got some caulking up on that white paint, so I'll try to start wiping it off right there while it's still wet. Sometimes the easiest way to do it is just use your finger, wipe it off. You can use gloves if you don't want this material touching your skin. I prefer not to touch, but it happens. And then with our touch-up paint, we'll just come in and touch up those white spots that got on there. Okay, and then that's going to dry, and then I'll have my crew come out and we'll just get this wall painted real quick, and it'll be as good as new. Hope that was helpful for you.